Hi guys, this is Gar Guy UK. So today we've got two products, the main one being the Meguiars Endurance Tyre Gel. So it's supposed to produce a rich and dark shine that lasts for weeks, not days, whatever the weather, and the unique formula stops tyres from turning brown and eliminates overspray, drips, streaks or spotted driveways, and keeps the wheels black for weeks through snow, rain or shine. I got this product from Halfords, and I also picked up the tyre dressing applicator pad to help put it on. So let's see how it goes on and what the results are. Okay, so it's really important to have prepped the tyres beforehand, so making sure they're nice and clean. And you start by putting some of the solution onto the pad and rubbing it into the tyre. Make sure you get into all the grooves with all the writing that's on the tyre, and don't use too sparingly. This is the first time I've put it on, so you want to make sure that there's plenty of liquid on the applicator pad. And that's the first tyre done. And I think you can see there is a big difference from the previous bare tyre as it was earlier. It's got a good shine to it, and here's another tyre. So this is the before. So again, make sure the wheel's clean and you get enough of the solution on the applicator pad. And again, just really work it in to all the grooves. Just make sure you get all the solution in, as I've said. You don't want to leave any patches. And just clean the alloys if you do get any solution on there. And again, that's another tyre done. I think you can really tell the difference, and it really does have a nice shine to it. Okay, this is a before tyre, and that's it done after. As you can see, again, it's a really good product. It really does show a good shine. As you can see, all the tyres look fantastic. They've got a really good shine to them, a really glossy wet look, which I prefer. Really makes the tyres stand out, I think. I mean, what do you guys think? Have you used this product before? Let me know in the comments. The product cost me around £15, so I think it's a good investment. It really does make the tyres pop. So overall, I'm really pleased with the product, and I think I'll continue to use it. If you look at the two images side by side, there is a noticeable difference. So that was my review of the Meguiars Endurance Tyre Gel. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is it a product that you think you'll be using in the future? I'm definitely impressed with it. It gives a really stunning gloss look to the tyres, and I think I'll be using it going forwards. Please like this video if you've enjoyed the content, and please subscribe, it helps my channel. And thanks for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.